Everyone, hello, my people, my darling people. When I remember that topic when I do that day, that guy wait me of recent, that Zimbabwe guy, that guy now, GB, we get money, we just remember that day, my people. When I know say I do the topic, I can say make everybody when we give out the last respect, that guy, the thing shocktalize everybody, like the way the thing happen, it really shocktalize everybody. I understand because now know say this life, that is why if people get money for this life, more now they look not be say, because it will get money, everybody go one wrong, go meet on. I don't know whether na genuine money, So many truths when they come out now. They say that guy, if I know say he go peme, they say before he peme so he don't even not be even only he want peme for that car with two girls for inside car, he and one of his friends. Now all of them ain't peme together so and the fire. Not even the way the car takes scatter. In fact, now fire can't even just enter. So all of them are so they take meme. So one guy whether they interview, I say the girl wait for survive. Now I call the shout for help. Before they come say make they drone and they don't feel drone and the car can't explode, So the guy they say before he eat meme so 2 weeks to eat meme come buy a coffee. Say if he die, now that coffee that they go put on. Now that coffee that they go put am, then he go take, then they go put am and make sure say they wear white for am and wetin he talk before he me my people. So then they come really say, okay, say why you come dey talk all those ones now? Say nothing, he just dey tell them. They don't know say he already know say he go me. Una know say these rich people, so some of them they go dey put out for different things, So maybe he don't go put out for bad thing where they worry am, where he know say they don't give. I know say some day they'll give them time. Say see when they go meme I know say with they watch all those things for home video where now, and they see the apple for real life, The author say see when they go meme. So maybe the time don't reach. And I'm not see the BB cars where in there you see house. The guy they really live large, like seriously. If they really live large, as in if they live well, like the boy really live, as in he enjoy, So now he can't tell them like that. Say now white and white now look gonna go wear for Ramo, So before he can join the as they talk about for this thing, So this guy, that why I they do this topic? We say make we Nigerians, as in we Africans, not be say if we all see rich people, would they run follow them? Would they run like say we never see them before? Waiting me think, and they say this guy too, he get secret room for a house where be say nobody they enter there. He get secret room for your house where nobody they enter there. You understand? Because he know say now he know say this money where he get, he not get on genuinely. That is why he gets secret room for your house. My people, this life no balance. So because his sister now he can finally talk and say his brother tell am say if he make anybody no cry and make they wear white and white for am, and they don't already buy a coffee down. Why they do this topic now? Those are our guests where they run follow all those big boys. So see if I find fine girls, 2 girls where they say Canada, they say meme join am. I see come no saying go meme, they want to come make and come follow the girl. Carry those girls for say only one for enter now. Only one for enter. See the way those girls now can take carry use their head, take carry it to the no one, no two man. My people. So the thing is just tire me. As I hear them, I say no, I must go tell my people, make they come listen. Make they say yeah. If I want to hear the full gist, I will see it all the Facebook. dey our Facebook page. So my people, this guy really live large. Like, see cars, see the fine car we just born to artists. That is why this life, everything for this life is vanity upon vanity. Now the same matter. When he meme that day, so if you don't know say, according to his sister, they say if you know say he go meme. But me, I talk and say, okay, maybe if you don't know say he go meme. But any car now follow him, no. Money we follow him, no. What we want meme ourselves for? We be say we go the jealousy shoulder. We go just do like say we just get the whole world. Like we just get the whole thing. Like seriously. You know they possible. You know if you just get everything. You know go fit. But when this guy they remember that day, so if you carry anyone follow body, no. Upon the richness, upon the everything, you don't carry anyone. Half like this, you don't carry follow body. You don't carry. You see, huh? Money they not go bury the money for one. No, you know they possible. Not where they go bury for one. But it don't go now, it don't go. Now they see matter. So that is why this life is not balance. You know balance, so hey. So what I maybe say, if you get, you see who they suffer, share with that person, no, because tomorrow we don't know they will go break tomorrow. We don't know person turn will go break tomorrow because this death. So everybody must go one day. Everybody must go one day. So what will the best version for? What will they carry our heaviness for? What will they get anger for person for? You go only just they carry that anger. You go they get heart attack. First way with the verse for not go even know say you the even verse for ourselves. You understand? First way with the verse for not go know say you the verse for them. So that is why we need to live our life. We need to live well as we did this life now. Who know now whether this guy now before he even remember I don't give a life to Christ? Nobody know. Even that day, I just dey happy say I'm going to flex myself today. I'm going to enjoy myself today. But no. You're not going to enjoy yourself again. And the same matter. You're not going to enjoy yourself again. So you don't enjoy yourself now. See another one. Today now drinking thing. Now what he use in mouth talk. But today unko. So my people, I also make a can't tell you now the latest. So we say he know say he go meme before. So he already know and the tell them say if he meme now white and white, then they go wear for him. And they really everybody can say so he know already before. So the death not be even like say maybe now knew something. He already feel no say he go meme my darling people. Now say my conscience for now the thing it tire me. So I wanna give him a last respect advice to our young girls of nowadays where they don't follow big people. Wanna they look for wanna enter. Maybe you go the boy as you see the boy in one particular room like that, not the opener. I beg, run for that kind of person. If you see her take a more that day, don't go again. No, you don't know whether you go put one for party. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. If I see you another Ogbonge update, I will come and tell you people. Thank you and bye. Share this video so that make you reach our young guests and share them to everywhere, to all the social media. Share them, my darling people. So bye everybody. Bye. So anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Bye. Bye everybody. Subscribe and share.